So welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to be making custard. I'll teach you how to make custard. For those of us that make custard and it comes out watery or it comes out having lumps, I mean seed inside. So for this recipe, I'm going to show you my recipes, the things I will use making this custard. Number one thing, of course, is the custard, my milk, my sugar, my sugar and my Milo. The Milo is optional, and my pig milk. So I just had hot water on the gas. So when I put on the hot water on the gas, I'm using 2.5 spoon of this custard. I'm making 2.5 spoon of this custard. So my hot water was not up to half of the kettle. So this part is the important part of the custard. So just watch me carefully. So first of all, I'm going to add a little water and turn my custard. Those of us that their custard used to come out watery, the reason is that you put a lot of water in your custard, which is not supposed to be so. You have to put little amount of water first of all and turn. But the thing is, it came out strong. What did I do? I had to put a very little more water, and I stir. Meanwhile, the reason why your custard comes out with seed in it is because you did not stir, you did not turn the custard very well. The down is blocked. That is why it comes out seedy. So I'm going to make sure I turn my custard. I'll turn it till everything underneath it becomes dissolved. So when everything becomes dissolved, remember my hot water is on the fire while we were mixing my custard, while I was turning my custard. So just watch me closely as I turn. Now, as you can see, my custard came out creamy. It's not watery, it came out creamy like pig milk. So I'm done with the mixing. We're going to check our hot water on the fire. My hot water is boiled, so I'll go ahead to make my custard. But before making my custard, I will turn again, because 1 minute, 2 minutes I left the custard there to check my hot water. The down might have gone back to being strong, so I have to turn and stir the down part of that custard. I have to mix it again so that it will come out the way I want it to. So I'll have to bring a rag to. I tried using my hands, but the kettle is hot, so I had to bring my kitchen rag, my kitchen towel to use kettle. So just watch me as I do. Let me bring it closer. You can just put your hand on your kettle, one side of the custard. The whole side of the custard will get done. So people will be turning it around and they won't know when the water oversees the normal length it should be. Look, my custard is ready. So I will start adding my sugar and my the other things I'm going to be using to drink my custard. I'm the only one drinking this, that's why I made a little. So I'm going to be adding my sugar and the rest of the things I'll be adding, and that's all. My custard is ready. So you can just watch me as I do the rest, as I get the rest done. If you love my videos, my video is really being helpful to you, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that when next I post a video, you will be notified. So I'm going to be using Milo. I don't know, I don't use Milo all the time, right? But I like the brown color it gives my custard. That's why I do use it at times. Not all the time. I don't use it all the time. But you can use it all the time. There's nothing wrong using your Milo all the time, but I just told you my mind. I don't like using it because at times I like seeing the yellow flavor of the custard, but at times I like seeing it brown. That's why I do add my Milo. So my sweet custard is ready. After taking this, I'm going to sleep till tomorrow by 12. That's when I'm going to wake up. It's just 4 p.m. here, but when I take this now, oh my god, my body is going to be so cool. To try this recipe at home. Bye.